What up, YouTube? It's your boy Reckless Savage here. I got some parts in the mail. I'm still waiting on one. This is my ball joints here, upper and lower by Moog. I should have got the adjustable upper, but I didn't. I just got the stock, so we'll see how that goes. We're not going to get to those today. We're going to wait till we get the other bars, but we are going to get to this right here. And this is a steering stabilizer, I guess. So they say it's real easy to install, like 13 minutes. I'm going to try to get y'all that footage on my GoPro. So yeah, and then we'll get a review about this stuff later on down the road. Alright guys, first we're going to need to wash this thing. No, I'm just kidding. So I believe you have to take this off, because if you don't, there's no way that little piece will fit. So first, what you need to get down here and do, guys, is take this off. It's a little bit bigger than 1 1/16. I don't know how good y'all can see, but this is your steering gearbox drop. You want to save these, even though they give you a new washer and stuff. You want to save them just in case you have trouble with this new one you're about to get installed, which I hope is not the issue. So we're going to put that right there, and don't forget about it. So you want to leave that on there. Alright, now with that done, what you're going to need to do is you take a 15 millimeter, or I think it's 15 millimeter, and you drop this sway bar off here, which I hope it's not in the way. If it is, I guess I'm just going to have to get rid of it. Alright, let's see. Get over here and get a 15 millimeter. Alright guys, we went ahead and got this first. We're going to tighten it up, and then we'll get our 15 millimeter and hop on dropping that so we can get in here to this. Maybe this will cure some of the sounds this front end makes on this Dodge. Like I said, I don't know how good y'all can see here. Again, sorry. You want to tighten that down as good as you can. And I believe that is good. So, let me go get our 15 millimeter. Alright, well, let's loosen these all up. Should not take long at all. I think they give you new hardware to put on here as well. So we're going to keep these bolts just in case we don't know what's going on. So get all these out of here. But anyway, I'll get back to y'all after I get this dropped. Alright guys, last bolt here to get this thing lined up. You gotta do some adjusting. It is not the easiest thing. I don't know, I've seen a review that said you can do this in 13 minutes. I don't believe them. So, what I'm doing here now, guys, is I had to line all this up. This will still push over whenever I'm done getting it in place. So right now I gotta line this last bolt up right here. Just like so. Okay, I got that last one in there. Took a little pressure from the knee. Okay. So when you get all those in there, that's whenever you want to do the aligning. Get a little tight. You might need to get a hammer to whack on it a couple times. Who knows? Got a little oil on my knee, so. Okay, guys. Let me go get the thing that goes here, and maybe that'll straighten it up. Alright, getting the last bolt here tightened up for this cross member piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to put this little thing on here. It don't look like it lines up. I'm not sure, so we'll see. And then see how she works. Alright, let me go get this piece real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I went and got this little thing. We're going to see how it goes on. We don't know. This kit does not come with instructions. I did not pay but $40 for it, so it's probably my fault that there's no instructions in the kit. So you get what you pay for. But anyway, I'm going to put this all the way on right here. And I don't know if my bolt holes are going to line up. I hope they do. I'm like so much. So close to this, like there, but it's not there, so maybe we can come in from the top down. Yeah, it almost. No, it don't. So I don't know what's off with this bracket. It does not go in where it should. Okay, well I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a 15/16 and loosen up my power box or steering box, and maybe that'll give it what it needs. We'll see. Alright guys, with the gearbox loose, I was able to move this where it needed to go. It just got a few like turns loose, so it's not like wobbly loose. So I'm gonna tighten this where it goes, and then we'll put that back. Oil to the eyeball. We'll put that back where it goes, and then that'll be the install. So yeah, I think this is a 3/4 nut. We're gonna get that bottom and top, and we're gonna tighten that up, grease it, tighten our lock screws for the thing they give you, and then make sure everything else is tight, like our pump box, which is a 13/16 by the way, if everybody wants to know if you have to loosen yours to get it right. Yep. We will see how it goes. Alright guys, that about got you whipped. We're going to get down here one more time. Oh, tighten up these. Oh yeah, that's good. Make sure everything's good and snug. Yep. And by the way, these are 3/4. Your thing is 13/16. And I'm not sure if this is going to have enough room up here in this hole they cut. It does towards the front, but I'm not sure to the back, so we'll see. It's pretty close all the way around. But yeah, we're going to fire up and see what we got there, guys. And like I said, I'm going to go over a quick thing. You take your two here, they're 15mm or 5/8. Take this out, you drop your bar. You have this ready. You take that out, pull the nuts or bolts. You slide this under there, put those back. You got to take off the regular nut that's on your drop arm right here. And I don't know if I got good footage right there. Sorry guys. You got to take off your regular nut here. And then you got to take yours off over here. Put this in there, put those back, line it up kind of straight. If it does not get straight, that's what I didn't get. I had to like remove this and like scoop my gearbox around. I guess I moved it, but for now, I mean, this is kind of, you know, it feels all right. We're gonna see how it rides, guys. Like I said, if it don't work, I got it pretty cheap off Amazon, so we're just gonna call it that and be done with it. But I'll let you guys know how it works, and we'll go from there.